In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Profecient, that's Multipurpose Elementor Business and WooCommerce WordPress theme. Use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this theme. After purchasing the theme, so I go straight to my dashboard. So now here is my dashboard. Then next I go to my appearance. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Next I click on add new theme. If this video is helpful, please use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Next I'm going to click on upload theme because I already have the theme on my system. Then I click on choose file. So I go to where my theme is. Okay. Here is when I will select, then click on open. After that I click on install now. To install the theme, please use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help you install the theme. Click on activate. So it has been installed. That's why I see this customize. I can let me just click on it. Okay, now I come to this place, open link, a new tab. I just want to open it in new tab for it to be two. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help you install the theme. The theme has been installed. The theme has been installed successfully. Although I didn't upload the demo, that's it. It has been installed. Thank you.